How to restrict settings app on iPhone. Go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on Automations in the middle. You can view all your automations over here. Then, tap on New Automation. From here, scroll down and go to App. Then, tap on Choose. Search for or select the Settings app from here. Then, tap on the tick icon at the top right corner. After that, Select is opened. And then, select Run immediately. Tap on Next. Here, tap on Create New Shortcut. Search for Go to Home Screen and tap on it. And then, tap on the tick icon. You have now created this automation. Following these steps, you can easily restrict Settings app on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.